Hello, this is David and welcome to Equity Story. Sorry it's a little bit late tonight. It's been a busy day as normal. And just having a look, I think obviously those core inflation figures have put a bit of a dampener on the market. I think they're a little bit higher than the market was expecting, so possibly as a result, less likely that we're going to have an interest rate cut next month, but you never know. I think the jury is still out. The trending shares were all fine, really, in sort of just basically holding their own. They sort of hardly moved at all. The only one that did move down was Burson Group, and as you can see, it only went down, didn't even go down 1%. And if there's any stock that does have a bad day, this is the one you want it to be, because fantastic looking trend, and obviously it should carry on tomorrow and start keep trending up. Just like to say, we had a good day obviously with CM8. CM8's underperforming 10 bagger, but 10 baggers, this is how they move, and you've got to be patient with them. Again, we've never lost faith in this company. They've got great growth, great earnings growth, which is what you're looking for. This move down here is all about this issue they've got on their finance, which they've now refinanced, and this company is making profits. And I think it's a similar space to sort of Mobile Embrace, another company we absolutely love. And I think this now will start obviously trending back up, and hopefully if they have a good quarterly, get back up here to sort of around this sort of 25 cents level. I'd just like to say over the wire, I'm just had a look at it today. I think it's a real trading opportunity here. I mean, one, if you're not in it, get in it. It's a little bit like an elastic band, this chart. It looks like it's just been pulled back, and I think if they get some good quarterly or some good news out, this could really have a nice run up. Why am I saying that? Basically, it's got very little volume, and I think the owner owns about 70% of it. So if any good news, could see this stock really start moving up pretty quickly and pretty fast. If you not familiar with the story, just go on the website, read up about it, because it's a really exciting little 3-year growth story. I think yesterday is quite, we're sorry, go back to more of a daily chart. We're saying that how bullish that BWX looked on the chart last night, and again had a big jump today in it's a really awkward market today. So I think it's a really good sign, and possibly a good sign that there's going to be good, strong things to come from this company. I wouldn't, like I said, I think it is going to run up higher, but if you want to buy it, I think you can definitely buy it, possibly around this 122, 125 mark in a week or so. Yowie was, I thought, really interesting price action today. We said, it looks like it would go and retest that 60 cents level. It did actually today, which was quicker than we expected. It went down and hit that 62, and then and bounced back off and finished at 67.5, which I think sort of shows with that sort of price action that people say, yeah, hold on, this is a good company. They've just done I think they've had a bad quarter. They had the court case. I think it's sort of obviously slowed down things a little bit, but there's no reason they can't. They're selling chocolates everywhere, and they've got the new production online, and there's no reason why the next quarterly can't be a big improvement. So I think I'd put it on your radar. If you're not in this stock, I wouldn't sort of try and pick a bottom. I'd like to see it start trending up, and then we'll get back into it again if you're not in it. Adacel, again, looks very good. I think we said yesterday it should hold that $3 level. It sort of has, and it's sort of turned up nicely. And often there's a little trading technique called the Holy Grail that I don't know if it can sort of get back above that 20. It's often very, very bullish, and can always go and retest that high. It could happen. I think it could be a little trade. It could be something quite interesting for people on a little bit of a trade. Yeah, if it jumps a little bit higher, it could definitely go up and retest that higher, that past high, which was over 350. Just one stock we had today was really annoying, was Adamatus. Again, we think anything buying under 50 cents is great. They have done a capital raise, A little bit annoying because I think the company flagged that they weren't going to, they didn't really need one. I think they obviously changed their mind. They saw the share price going up, and as a result, they thought they'd just sort of put a bit more cash in the bank. Hopefully, this will be the last one, and if it is, that'd be great, because this company is looking to get into profits now with new management in full year 18, and we do feel with the CardioCel, once they do that, this is certainly a dollar stock. And the reason we like it is not the fact that we think we can possibly double our money with the CardioCel product. Obviously, they've got the cure for herpes now, and that's exciting. And although it's a bit annoying they've had the capital raise today, it doesn't change the story or why we brought it. And hopefully, it's a good capital raise that we can buy some stock as well at a good price. So hopefully, they look after the shareholders, and we can get some more stock in this company, because we do believe it is a fantastic story. Just one question before we go tonight. A lot of people saying, Dave, gold. Yeah, I just feel we love a trending Northern Star and Evolution, because if you can get them right, you can get like really good, like 5 to 15% increases in a few days. But I think we just got to hold off for a second. I'm just not. I don't think the Fed's going to be raising rates anytime soon, but they don't say that. They pretend they do, and if they do, then gold could edge down a little bit more. So if it does edge down a little bit more, then I think potentially Northern Star and Evolution, we can get them a little bit cheaper, and then I'd like to buy them when I start seeing them going back up again. So they're on our radar, and as soon as we've got a good buy signal, we'll be putting these on, so you can all hopefully make some more money with them. Anyway, listen, thank you for listening to Equity Story, and apologize again, the video is a little bit late tonight. Thank you, and good night.